Solve the equation for x. Okay, so let me rewrite this equation. 3 in exponent pi is equal with the x in exponent 2 divided by x. Let's lnize this equation. We have a ln 3 in exponent pi is equal with the ln x in exponent 2 divided by x. Now let's put power in the front of the ln. We have a pi ln 3 is equal with the 2 divided by x ln x. And let's multiply everything by x. And now we have here x times pi ln 3 is equal with the 2 ln x. And now here let's divide everything by pi ln 3 ln 3, and now yields x is equal with the 2 ln x divided by pi ln 3 ln 3. So that's what we have here. And now if we are looking this equation here on the left side, let's say this is equal with a y, and let's say here this is equal with a y, so the left side. And so let's say y is equal with 3 in exponent pi, and y is equal with 2 ln x divided by pi ln 3. And if we find the intersection of these y's, then we can find the x, which is going to be an approximate numerical value, but we can leave it in that form. So now we can find, let me write 3 pi is equal with the 2 ln x divided by pi ln 3. And everything here we multiply by pi ln 3. If we multiply everything by pi ln 3, we have a pi ln 3, and let me write this 3 pi in the front. 3 pi times pi ln 3 is equal with the 2 ln x. And now we divide everything by 2. If we divide everything by 2, this side remains just ln x, but let me put in the other side. Ln x is going to be here 3 pi exponent pi times ln 3, and here is time pi, I don't want to forget this, and everything here is divided by 2. If we are lnizing, if we are putting in the power exponent, this putting as the power of the exponents, e is going to be e ln x is going to be equal with the e in exponent 3 pi, 3 in exponent pi times pi ln 3 divided by 2. And finally, so x is going to be equal with the e in exponent 3 in exponent pi times pi ln 3. Everything here is divided by 2. So this is the answer, but if you want to find the approximate numerical value, you can use a calculator or any other software.